Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, March 8th. A lot of people waiting for Friday's action. We're waiting to see what happens today with regard to unemployment. And right now, what are we expecting to see happening here in the NASDAQ market? We are looking for commitment to the upside. I'm looking for a strong close as we go into the weekend. I also feel the same way about the euro. It has firmed up a bit. Now let's see if these buyers can get the job done. And that is what we're looking for today. In the interest rate markets, my gosh, the notes are and the bonds are absolutely beautiful. They're acting just the way you'd want if you're looking for strength in the stock market. Looking for a kind of a quiet day in those markets. Gold, well, we're looking for a continuation of a sideways market. We're just not really seeing any consistent buying paper here. So a sideways market, I think, is more logical rather than a super bearish market here for that complex. Now, crude oil. Crude oil firmed up as the U.S. dollar got weaker as the bottom line. And the difference here, you can see it just trade a little bit above this green line you see here. And again, these are references. I'm not suggesting that anyone should get any type of return here or they should be doing these trades. But to give you a feel for the magnitude of change here, what we are looking at in crude oil is $3.59. Now, if you're trading the mini contract, which is a smaller size contract for the crude oil, and see, the CME has created a number of products like this. It allows you to participate in the market if you're not totally comfortable with it, or if you're not totally comfortable with it, you shouldn't be trading it. But if you're comfortable and you're ready to start trading it, they provide a mini contract to allow you to do that. They do micro contracts and currencies, for example, are also a mini contract in agricultural markets. So if you're not familiar with these markets, you're ready to start trading, these smaller contract sizes may be something you might want to consider. Now, the full-size crude oil contract, that magnitude of change would be $3,590 would be the magnitude of change there. But what are we looking for? Well, if the dollar continues to get weaker, which I would expect, we're looking for a little bit more of a move to the upside in crude oil. Now, in the grains, in beans, this market did trade right below that red line that you see there. The difference between the green line and the red line there is 19 cents, or that would be $950 on the full-size contract. It would be 1/5 that size in the mini contract. And again, that's another product that you could consider if you're looking at trading grains. Now, for our friend Mr. Bean, we are looking for follow-through to the upside as we go into the weekend. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.